Merry Christmas, everyone. Let's show you what we're doing.
I wanted you to be in this show because someone's watching it on their iPad.
Thank you for having us. Tell them what we're doing today.
We're doing doing the lights with Dada. And I'm going to put everyone in Linola.
Oh, the lights. The lights. Not just any lights. Our 60-year-old lights.
60 years old.
These are 50-year-old lights. 30. Found in our old basement. We inherited the lights.
Oh yeah, you.
Believe it, kids.
Oh, Lola, you.
That's Boo. And this is our kooky dog. She loves playing fetch. Okay, now come show them what Mama's doing. Come on. Come on, I want to show you what I'm doing.
Hey, William, look at me.
Look at Dada on the ladder. Look at Dada on the ladder.
It's my microwave, kids.
Oh, yeah?
See, it's a micro.
Wait. So you got in the narration.
That sure looks dangerous. Whoa, Dada.
This is 50-year-old bladder we inherited too. Stay tuned to see if I fall.
Well,
Come on, let me show you what I'm doing.
don't you dare fall.
All right. Oh, you want to show them the Christmas tree?
I got in it.
Yep, looks about right. That's just gonna stay till a squirrel takes it away. Or a deer, if you let them in the yard. It's a work in progress. Oh, yep, we ran out of lights. Okay, you want your video camera?
Yep.
All right, we have half the lights up. We ran out right there. And we got James and Dada working on lights over there. Whee! Look at that man working hard. Look at your father. He deserves that. He deserves that. Okay, I want to show him what I'm doing. I'm making these door swags all by myself. So, I managed to save these old bows and this bag's filled with pine cones. See, James? These are filled with pine cones just collected over the years from other wreaths. Dada always told me to save the pine cones. And this way we can make our own do-it-yourself door swags. So, this is all our scraps from our Christmas tree. And I got my old pliers right there. There's my supplies. And so I cut about 3 of them, tied it together, put a bow, and then some old cranberry and pine cones. I glued it on there. Now, I think I might move the bow to the front of the light pole. You know, Brian said to put it behind, but I think the bow might look, it might look better if it's tied on the front. So, I got this. I'm still working on this. I just tied it up. I think this one looks pretty. But I still need some pine cones. I still need the bow. So I might tie the bow around this, that. Oh, do you know what the song is? That's Amy Grant for you, son. Amy Grant. Have you ever heard of Amy Grant? She's a classic. Oh, we got Santa in there.
I was about to say Baby Grant.
You were about to say Baby Grant? Well, that's close. See you in our next video. Gotta go. Yep. It broke. He said he was almost on the top step when it started shaking and he had to jump into the tree as the ladder was breaking. And I really feel bad I wasn't there for that. Oh, there's a piece too. Oh boy, I knew it. That old ladder finally hit the hay.